Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a recurring work template. You can create recurring work template. You can set the template to recur daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly based on your needs. How to create a recurring work template. To begin, head to Settings under the Work Management tab. Now select the template that you want to repeat. Click on Edit icon. Select Make this template recurring. To set the template to recur monthly, select the monthly option and specify the start date. You can also set an end date if necessary. This template will then create work on the designated dates. If you want the template to repeat yearly, enter 12 months as indicated. Similarly, to set the template to recur weekly, select the weekly option. For daily recurrence, choose the daily option, and you can also select off days if needed. To save the template, click on Save Changes, and you are done. Thank you for watching.